First, open PhotoADKing in your web browser and search World Health Day in the search bar. Choose a template that suits your clinic's style and branding. The next step is to upload your clinic's logo and replace the template logo with your own. Update the template text with your clinic's name. If the call icon on the template doesn't match your branding, you can easily change it to a different icon. Now update your contact details such as your mobile number. Then replace the image as per your need. Mention the discounts that you would like to make on World Health Day. If the text color doesn't match your branding, feel free to change it to a different color. Once you are satisfied with your design, make sure to save it to your computer. Finally, download the template design so that you can share it with your patients.